Hi everybody, it's Elena from Artistic Thoughts by Elena, and today you see before you some chains that I've cut up from the dollar store. I'm going to do something a little different than I normally do when I've tried to do pull chains. I'm going to use house paint. I'm going to put a pillow here on my 16 by 20 canvas of white, but then I'm going to pull these chains that I've gotten with house paint too. I'm just really trying to create a background, and we'll see what we get. I kind of like this color combination of blue and yellow. I always have liked it. But these again are house paints. They're not acrylic paints. So let me get going and let's get painting. Okay, bye. Quick, huh? Prettier. Color is everything. This is fun. It's messy, but it's fun. See it? Yep. pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So now I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't have even cut some of these chains. I don't know. I like the yellow on the top. Okay. Whoa, Jack. Okay, I was really liking that yellow. I'm adding more yellow. And I think I'll do it up here. Just in one spot. And just dip in yellow. Just dip in the yellow. Yeah, I like the yellow. So I'm just dipping in the yellow now. Just the yellow. No other colors but the yellow. More yellow. Got plenty of other colors in there, but it's the yellow that's making the difference. Okay, so I kind of like this. Yes, the blue and the yellow turned into green, and that's okay in a way because I am trying to create foliage or a background for my flowers. But even though I'm not a really big fan of balloon kisses, because I just haven't done very well with them myself, and I see some folks who do beautiful work, so I'm not disputing that, but I think I'll put a few balloon kisses in here without color and give more of an impression of a wild garden. So let's go for it. I'm going to try to pick spots where the yellow doesn't come out, because I like the way the yellow is. It kind of reminds me of yellow daffodils or something. But anyway, let's go for it with my yellow balloon. That's okay. That's all right. There. 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 Here. There. Where else? How about here? There. Ah, this is so dirty. I'm going to put other colors in here. Not sure what, but I don't want to play with it too much. Ah, that really came out. So, I'll put one here. And one there. Maybe one right there. Yeah. Okay, let me show you what I got. So, I kind of like this. This is different. It's kind of natural. I do have to practice my chain pulley. And yes, my balloon kisses. But here's some balloon kisses there. And there's the tips with the yellow paint. Again, this is not acrylic paint. This is house paint. And then I will add some acrylic flowers to it later to give it more of a garden look. But yeah, I kind of like it. It's different. Can you see it there? Okay, talk to y'all later. Bye. Hi everybody, it's Elena. Well, before you is a canvas that I think I worked on at the beginning of spring, and I never did anything with it because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to put blooms on it or not. But basically, it was a lot of chain pulling. I actually even used a stencil in here to give it more greenery. But now I'm thinking I want to put blooms on it. And it's completely dry. So I'm just going to basically use some old paints I have. And it may have a variety of colors like any garden would. But I'll start with some red right here. And I think I'm going to start at the bottom. This is the front of it. I'm going to work backwards sort of, but I'm going to start in here and pour some paint. And put a little blue, not a lot. I notice blue sometimes overwhelms it. I'm just going to put a little. Some gold. I think I want a lot of gold in this. Maybe as much red as in there. Yeah. So I need a cell activator, and I'll blow it out and I'll come back and show you what I have.